gosemia iguru yobo chenu gakubwatrana n'abanyagitari ao asumurubirio wokomenyukuya kebo chenu.
So that is why we are teaching mwanchwa murigereria omugusio ito mwanyagetingo ito inarito kirito kana tokoraririwa gatokuria na riratokonye igori toke tokoraririwa ndikakitomenye buya kebocha
una botambe nkobatabinga eanje bwanje
kirari tukuria Jumatano enseye munenusu ya Maragoba aiga Ndizi TV.
Mugasomi omwanchu murigereria kerabona cyaragire Chinsa Isano na Ibere gitariki ni 15 na Ibere mutinyu mutangani omwaka w'ikiri Ibere merongo Ibere nebere ekerongo kwaregane gochaga igase studio nkomanyenga narariya agenderete kulende nkomanya senchera yobwenge nabakogendera gutobwata wetera semitandao ya Facebook buna Ndizi TV News nabayigo Twitter @Ndizi TV News nabagensemo ya YouTube nabagotonyora buna Ndizi TV News bayigo SMS number nere yuere ase TV yao nabogotuma ekerengereri kiago aroro igoto sukare nkoirana nkomanyenga narariya na kwareganiri. Ncheni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita na ndini gotoko ya chaka korwa sensemo ya Naivasha abua saba gavana wetania emeronge bere bagenderete kumirana bali baraba bwatani bobo mo bwa azimio la umoja abua se bagenderete gukwanira emerubulyo bene yoko ikiranianga ngoche bale kubeka emerubulyo emekiranu kwane kyabuna Raila Odinga oyuro murayiwe kyama kya ODM onyalire kobaga koba umurayo gatano asobocholi bogochya gokoreka abagavana abo gati abono Yokisi James Ongwae oyo Nakuru Lee Kinyanjui na boigo Kilifi Amason Kingi au ba motogiri Raila asokoleta serikali chegenka gose devolution abwase Raila nera babolria abagavana abo kwangoya ase okubasemia abantu bechinsemo cyabo kubwata ekura eligo chekwene kyabona ba Masoire State House.
We have here 30 governors that have come here with our fifth president of the Republic of Kenya. I will ask the chair of the board of the campaign board, the governor for Laikipia, to take over from here. Thank you very much and welcome, and we are very happy that you have come to talk to us, to see, to be with us, to listen to us.
Thank you very much, members of the press. I will read a very a statement on behalf of my colleagues here. Of course, you also know that I am chairing the board of the presidential campaign. This has been a consultative meeting between governors and the fifth, His Excellency Raila Amolo Odinga, to reassure him of our support and also to discuss the way forward with regard to the August elections. There were 30 of us present with a couple of apologies. Broadly, we've looked at the fifth in the following areas. First, support for devolution. Now, since the advent of devolution following the 2013 elections, the fifth has been consistent that devolution must succeed and must be strengthened.
Mfumo huu wa ugatuzi Kwa hivyo Wakenya wameona manufaa makubwa wa mfumo huu, na bila shaka kati ya mikono ya watu hawa wawili, bila shaka ugatuzi uko katika mikono imara, katika mikono ya Mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga.
And we all as governors have come here to say with one voice that we are going to go out there to make sure that Raila Amolo Odinga is the next president of the Republic of Kenya. And that our people need to understand where we used to be. This issue of going at the national government to beg for resources, and the national government did not sometimes appreciate shared prosperity, that every county, every constituency needed to share resources equitably. We now know one person, and we feel sorry that BBI did not go through because we were going to get more resources and put in the constitution.
There, that 20% of the resources will go to the local government, 35% goes to the state government, and 45% goes to the federal government. Meaning what? That means that 55% of resources in Nigeria are devolved. And that's why we were talking about 35%. And somebody felt that that was not good enough. We have so many things that we wanted to do. And I know that working together with these governors, we can be able to improve livelihoods in our rural areas and in our urban areas. We'll be able to supply water to everybody, as I said, because water, I've said, is a right to each and every Kenyan. We can be able to produce more food in our country so that our country becomes self-sufficient in terms of food production. We can also be able to do value addition to goods that are produced in our farms, goods which are down there, the minerals in our country. We can be able to, and this will itself provide a lot of employment to our youth. Our youth right now are lacking productive employment. And that's why I said that we want to ensure that each sub-county has a particular industry.
No maseneta bwe county ya Kisii Samongeri oyo baigokorigie kirego kyobo governor se county eyo nigaboriria barai bonsi bali bakorigie birogo ao imeyense ya Kenya anene mono abarai koragusi otwara amasikani ne chinkwana chingia na baigo gwanchana elyo kwenekia omorembe ase county ya Kisii na Kenya ngima nigaya kuwa naya ekerai kirana asensemo ya Agricultural Training Center imeyo mchobo songo.
One thing that I will require of each one of us, if you are going for votes, please, and I beg you, please observe normal rules of courtesy. Be polite, don't abuse anybody, don't create any trouble for anybody, ask for your votes. This community will make a decision whether to give you or not to give you. Just say it again. Say it to another one. No. Politics na chama boro. Kuna nje kumoja, aliboma sababu kwa sio kumoranje. Tinta kitio na ngombe. Tinta kitio na ngombe. Tinta kitio na ngombe tukende. Onyo mtu ngakita kwa kembura. Na hiyo ndio mwaeleweke angekuli. Lakini kutuchana kiseki na kulende gita. Ikiwa na haroje chitabia cha chaki negete ila choto rete. Nomo rojo pa kwenye limon. Ikiwa na kwenye metron ila choka hakomu kuja lina hadi baadaye. Aya ni kwane karabanda bani ba kwalile abarai ayo ba kwalile lakini na kwana ya make aranya kapcha ndio na kote kama na mikutano kabokora na kitu anakorora na ndozi ono ida precious here arorire
embure nyinge ejuegenderete kwene kiwa chinsemo ao asorogongo rwa Gusii nigo bono egenderete koleta hasara no busalio bonene ase abonchoreria ao anene mono bali bebinte bike abo banyorire asara ase ngencho nige gotwe nyinge na kuirira asare yo ase abonchoreria osabanya biasara abake mbure yo yachagete korwa bweri tukuri igorobotuko nigo bono yeirerete amacha mange goterema ase chipara abo ase chigali chiasinye tugweta nabo igo chigali gutenena osinyo gweta bono niga abantu baboliwe koba maiso chinga kibone mbure ywe kageire gocha komente kana abo ase abande baboliwe kwebo yabuya chinga kechi chobokendu eligotanga omuchando koletwa nembura anene mono obokendu nigo boigo baboliwe koba maiso anene mono bali bagotumeka chipara abantere bakoba maiso na korundia chigali asorogendo oroke eligotanga emibasukano nigo boiga abantu baboliwe gotaigama nse yemete na gwetanga korwa ase amakongu nemechando eliakoletwa nembura anene mono chinkuba nigera gendere gotwa goika chinga kichita manyekaneti kolenda abantu baboliwe bonsi koba maiso chinga kichi chomwancho murigereri omobere bwo mugakoyomo aserieta Ezekiel Mobisa Omae nigo gotindo korwa magega yekigambero korwa ogochika sensemo ya kemera nigo mobero yo tindege to chitariki sano na isato omotinyo yoiga kolende nigo ogocha gotindo korwa maega yengusana no kwena kigwa gati yenyombe nene ni nyombenke igoro ya mangana yege familia nigo bono ogendrete gotindo korwa se chinse mecho cha kemera abwasomorikyo ito agendrete gotobwateria oroboti orwa senchera yoboikiranu kolende ayanaro agendreta sensemeyo ya kemera.
Majuzi nimeongea na familia waambia hii tamu itafanyika na ikifanyika tutafuta. Kwa hivyo hakuna mtu atakayefuta hapa na nataka mwahakikishie hii mambo itaisha tu. Tukishamaliza hiyo ingine itafuata. Kwa hivyo mimi ni senior assistant chief Robert Mekeni. Hapa pahali mlipo ni Amayia village, Matendo sublocation, Ibere location, Manga sub-county of Nyamira county. Kwa hivyo hapa leo ni hali ya kutoa mwili wa mwezetu.
No mabunge onyalibali masaba omoske Ezekiel Machogu ojoba kolige kergo kyobo governor se county ya Kisii nigo bono ababoliri abamenyi be county yogwa esokya na kwelikia asobonge elikobwata ekura era cheko bali bagali abene ochora baraibali baraganie nigo boigo aboliri abaraiba mwabo bali bakolige birogo ao koralia siasa chiomorembe elio abantu banyale konyora obo toereru niga yakwaneta ya chingaki alenga sensemo ya South Mugirango
abaito gosonde bwesho tarabwate kura enguba yao oranyare kurwanira gachoro murayumuya nokubwate kura mbwancha majo gutukunyara kumwaka tukunyara kumwa nafasi yoko be governor onya tubwate kura tukuboliye baminto bonse batarabwata chikura abana baito bakure chishukuru bali myaka 18 isenga watire getuo kirange nenka yao irindo nyare kwanyorere kura wekara nkuri chikura tindu kugamba igoro yonde tindu kura monde kiagara chikura noko ni manifesto yao noko ni sera chiao noko tebye abantu bamintonga oisha kwa bwe nafasi inkiyo kubakolera igo twancha neno nembali tukulia chikura 12 aende ntobasha kuramana ntobasha kuira na biara kiagara by the end of the day umuntu kujikwa mwana ndo bwate chikura n'abantu baminto bakishika
ndeta ngoro kujon mumanyi JB korbonchali ase esabari yetu bwata bono yokorigyo burayi bwe county ya Kisii igonde running mate yo musike His Excellency Ezekiel Machogu igotwa amwire kurigyo burayi ubu nderi tonyare gokorera omuntu minto Gusii egasi iriera nyare gokonya na ende improve obugima bw'abantu baito
gotongore kero kwa rusigu kwa rosigu bari wasire kwa rugiro mokungu nkyo koriera nyama onya ntinyeni nkyo koriera nyama mutaka koriera nyama mutaka koriera masoni sawa le wala suguri tu abatareka ire nderia nene mokwenda gutauri yo kali guja abama tuwakisoni mokungu mwanga kwa makao.
No mabunge o Kitutu Chache South Richard Onyonka niga baenekeire abamenyi be constituency yaye une para ya Nyamataro ne chere bwangwiga abwasa tebire nigegendereire korosi wakorwa chinsemo cha suneka na iga bantu baba batwera ruchingaki ego chakwera asegekegeke kirebusyo nigo chingaki echo aborire abantu bonsi anene mona be constituency yaye kubwata chikura asubunge.
Aya matari ya ikire suneka nkori ya rosi bali nzajinde bintu bya serikali na oyo charero but they'll come ninyo linya mataro bale go baka bekire no ena matoke bateba Nyonka must go gache karosi we kabaya St Jude Nyonka must go lakini I believe that they will finish it kiagara section itigali tenenge ba ikire suneka so kurusuneka paka bridge camp then batire nya mataro it will be done abantu baito we ka understanding onye no nyago kuranga mumwimba igoro sinyagete igoro kyangu nga chikura na ji nganto yoto ake chikura onye tubwatie card ye kura na igepande na ichinza chia osaliti na abantu baito banorere butambe bagonya goto busoko abantu onye ko onye bwange to mwana siasa uliorocho tego kora kende onye tutagiti ko vuna inchi onye umuntu kanyange tikabwate kura anga ake kura ya yandusie lakini ngaro bwana busaigo ngoma ete uyo tunamtoa kuna kitu atafanya ekura nere kogera nere nguba yao nere muntu atakira twale ekogera ogendo change oburai onyoro burai buli otagete nitubwate kura ni chinza chia osali
Nara yokoro semesa ya mangana maiya kurende na indegendra koba ime ya Ndizi TV ngochole konyora yomona yanda mange chikoraga chinsa ikomi chabo no mogoroba gendra koba ime ya Ndizi TV nero wansu bo mugusi anigongwa kangambe yamona sebali bonsu twabwatera na kwene kyabuna kwa yanyorira yaiga asenjira yobo ikirano nche nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita.